In a forest not too far away, a magician planned a grand display.
He sent invites with a swirl of his wand to animals in a magic pond. Come one, come all, his message said, to a tea party where magic is spread.
The rabbit came with a hop and a skip. The fox brought cookies and the mouse brought chips.
The magician waved, and oh what a sight! The teapot floated, the cups took flight. Rabbit came with a hop and a skip. The fox brought cookies, and the mouse brought chips.
The magician waved, and oh what a sight! The teapot floated, the cups took flight. Tea poured itself in a perfect stream. Sugar cubes dance like a dream.
With every sip, allow for a cheer. The magic tea party brought joy far and near.
So if you hear of a magical feast, join in the fun, you're sure to be pleased.